Hi everyone, welcome back. In this logical programming video tutorial, we are gonna find how we can find the missing number from an array. So missing number means when we have a series of number. So let's say I have a number from 1 to 10. That means I have the 10 numbers, but somewhere one number is missing, like 5 is missing, 6 is missing. We don't know what number is missing and how we can find this number. So this is a very frequently asked interview question also. Actually logical question, so we can say that. So how we can find that? So let's get start with that. So first of all, we have to know that how many steps and what steps we need to find for this number. So these are the steps. So first of all, we need the total numbers. Let's say the total number is 10, and after the missing it should be 9, but normally they have the 10 numbers. We have to we know these numbers. Second thing is we must know the total sum of the numbers. For the total number of sums, I will find the n in divide by 2 n into n plus 1. It will tell you the total number of the sums. Let's say if you have 0 to 10, then this formula will find the total number of the sums from 1 to 10. And then we have to find the total sum of the present number. For example, if you miss the 6, then the total sum of the total numbers missing the 6 from the another numbers, we can say that. So, and then we have to minus the total number of sum minus present number of the sum. And how we can find this, the total number of sum, which is the present number, and without the missing number, we will do it with the for loop. So let's get start. And if you are not understand this, then don't worry, here you will understand it properly. So let's get started. So let's say first of all I have a array where nums, I have an array with the nums which have the array 1 2 3 and 5 6. Let's say, let's suppose 5. Let's suppose 3 is missing from here. So initially we are taking a small array. After that we will take it with the large array also. So put it in the script tag. Alright. So now the total numbers. So n, how many n's we have? We have, take it as a var, 5. Why 5? Because 3 is a missing now. That means 3 is a missing, then total number is 5. Alright. So now first of all I'm going to make a function, the get missing, whatever you want to put the name, it's your wish. Function. Alright. So in this function what I'm going to pass here, you can pass your get missing number. First you have to pass your array with the nums, and second is n, total nums. Alright, so here I will get the nums and n. Alright, so if you want to pass simply 5 here, you can pass simply 5 here. Alright, so now if you don't know the length, then you can do one more thing, the missing number of array dot length plus 1, it will give you the same result. Alright, so for now you can put the 5 so that our function should be normalized, that it can easy to understand. And now we need to find the total numbers. So I'm going to take the total sum. For the total sum, what I need actually, I need the formula that we discussed here. For that I need to put n. N is how many? N is 5 here. Alright, n divided by 2 and multiplied by n plus 1. Oops, that's my bad. N plus 1. Alright guys, so we got this total sum here, and now take the one more where is the present sum. And what is the present sum? It will be the total number of the sum of the array. including the missing, excluding the missing actually. So for now I'm going to use the for loop here, and it will start from the I equal to 0 and I less than nums dot length. Okay, comma I plus plus. All right, so and here you can do that present sum plus equal to nums I. What it will do, it will add the all the numbers from I to 0. First of all, the ith position is 1 1, and it will 2 plus 4 plus 5. It will give you the total number of that. And now let's see document dot write, and what we have to use the total sum minus present sum, and it will be your result. Oops, it's 12. Okay, so I think something I missed here. I have to check that. And what we missed here, let me check. Oh, sorry, that I made mistake here. It's actually minus, not equal. So you can see that we got the 3 here. So, and even you can see that we have missed from 3 here. So let's say we have 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, or we missed the 5 from here. So these are the number of length is 6, because 5 are these and 1 is the missing one. All right, so let's check here now. Now you can see that we got the 5. So for this program or this logic, you can find the missing number of the string. And guys, keep in mind that you can only find the one number of missing. That if you have the missing more than 2 numbers, then we have to use the another logic, and it will, I'll tell you this in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, please like the video, and if you have any kind of questions or query, you can ask me in the we can say that comment box. All right, thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.